What's going on, everybody? All right, check it out. Everyone wants to know how to remove negative items from their credit report, right? I have a method that allows you to remove negative items within 14 to 21 days. I learned this about sometime last year in December. I've been dealing with personal and business credit for about, I'll say, 10 years. I'm 33, by the way. So the method that I have, like I said, it allows you to remove inquiries, any negative item that's on your credit report, repossessions, bankruptcy, foreclosure. Um, and you can do it all from the comfort of your home, and you don't have to worry about getting scammed. It took my credit score up from a 490 to about a 720, 730 within 30 days. There's no gimmicks, no scams. This is the real deal thing. Uh, if you want, give me a call, 323 691 5436, and we can discuss.